Hello students, my channel name is Khandesh Srinit, class 10th standard. In this session I am going to explain you that 7th chapter coordinate geometry exercise 7.1 question number 6. Before going to start exercise 7.1, you need to learn some formula, then only you are capability to do exercise 7.1. So here it is a only one and one only formula, distance between the points. Here I am taking the points. What are points here? I am taking here A point and B point. Between these whatever is, that is called as distance here. Now A containing x1 y1 and B containing x2 y2. Now distance between the points formula is AB is equals to root. When we join this A and B, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. When you started doing exercise problems, then only you can understand this formula. Now let us do exercise 7.1 sixth problem. Now here, prove that the points 7 minus 3, comma 5, comma 10, comma 5, 15, comma 8 and 3, comma minus 5 taken in order are the corners of parallelogram. Now what is given in the question, let us write that. What is given here? Now let us point the points here. I took here it is an A and it is an B and it is an C and it is D here. A containing minus 7 minus 3, B containing 5 comma 10, C containing 15 comma 8, D containing 3 comma minus 5 are the corners of parallelogram. You already learned in previous classes what is a parallelogram. See, I have drawn a parallelogram. Observe this. Now I took here points. It is an A, B, C, D. You already know that a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That means this AD and BC are equal and DC and AB are equal. And what is said to find out as values of these sides. Before going to start, now we have to first of all find out the distance of AB, BC, CD and DA here. Now start distance between the points. First of all we have to find out the first distance. What is given here? First distance AB. What is the values of AB here? A value is minus 7 minus 3. B value is 5 comma 10. I have written here. Now here see here. A containing x1 y1, B containing x2 y2. No. Now I am written here. This is x1, this is y1, this is x2 and this is y2. Now what is the formula? AB is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We already know that. Now x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? 5. x1 is minus 7. x2 minus, what is x2? 5. 5 minus x1 is minus 7. So here two minuses are coming here. So for not confusing, I have drawn here two brackets. So observe this. 5 minus minus of 7 whole square. Here it is square. Plus y2 minus y1. What is y2? 10. 10 minus here. y1 is minus 3. Here also two minuses. 10 minus of 3 whole square. Now AB is equals to 5 minus into minus plus 7 whole square plus 10 minus into minus plus 3 whole square. Now AB is equals to 5 plus 7, 12 whole square plus 10 plus 3, 13 whole square. Now 12 whole square can be written as 12 into 12. 12 whole square, no. 12 is multiplying 2 times. 12 into 12, that means 144. 13 square is nothing but 13 into 13, 169. Now in the place of 12 square I have written here 144. In the place of 13 square I have written here 169. Root 144 plus 169. That means 144 plus 169, 313. AB is equals to root 313. Next we have to find the distance of BC here. Distance between the points. Next BC we have to find out now. What is the values of B and C? B value is 5 comma 10, C value is 15 comma 8. B value is 5 comma 10, C value is 15 comma 8. Same. Here also x1 y1, here also x2 y2. Now what is the formula of B and C? Same formula, root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. What is x2 here? 15. x1 is 5. x2 minus x1, no. 15 minus 5 whole square plus y2 is 8. y1 is 10. 8 minus 10 whole square. Now 15 minus 5, 10. Now 8 minus 10. See here, 10 minus 8, 2 no. 2 here. And here the greater number sign is minus here. So minus 2 whole square. Now 10 square can be written as 10 into 10. That means 10 is multiplying 2 times. 10 into 10, 100. Minus 2 whole square can be written as minus 2 into minus 2. That means minus into minus plus 2 2s are 4. BC is equals to, in the place of 10 square I have written here 100. In the place of minus 2 whole square I have written here 4. 100 plus 4, root 104. Next, what distance we have to find out? CD. Distance between the points. What is the value of CD here? C value is 15 comma 8. D value is 3 comma minus 5. Same. In this also we have to find out x1 y1 and x2 y2. Here it is x1, here it is y1. Here x2 and here it is y2. Same formula, CD is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. CD is equals to x2 is 3, x1 is 15. 3 minus 15, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus 5, y1 is 8. Minus is there no here. Minus 5 minus 8 whole square is equal to 3 minus 15. You leave it that. 15 minus 3, 12 no. The greater number containing which sign here? Minus. So minus 12 whole square plus minus 5 minus 8. 5 plus 8, 13. So minus is there here. So minus 13 whole square. Minus 12 whole square can be written as minus 12 into minus 12. That means minus into minus plus 12 12s are 144. Minus 13 whole square can be written as minus 13 into minus 13. Minus into minus plus 13 13s are 169. Now in the place of minus 12 whole square I have written here 144. Minus 13 whole square can be written as 169. When we add this, what do we get here? Root 313. Now next we have to find out the distance of DA. Distance between the points. D is 3 comma minus 5. A is minus 7 minus 3. Same x1 y1 x2 y2. Now DA is equals to root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. For all, same formula. DA is equals to x2 minus x1. What is x2 here? Minus 7. x1 is 3. Minus is there no here. Minus. Minus 7 minus 3 whole square plus y2 is minus 3. Minus. y1 is minus 5. So here 2 minuses are there here. For not confusing, I have drawn here 2 brackets. Minus 3 minus of minus 5 whole square is equal to 7 plus 3 10. Minus is there no, so here. So minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus into minus plus 5 is equal to, now root minus 10 whole square as it is plus 5 minus 3 2 square. Now DA is equals to minus 10 whole square can be written as minus 10 into minus 10. That means minus into minus plus 10 10 to 100. 2 square is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. 100 plus 4, 104. Now what is the values of AB here? AB is 313. Next BC value is 104, root 104. Next CD value is root 313. DA value is root 104. I have written here, observe this, and here observe this, AB and CD are equal, BC and DA are equal. AB is equals to CD, root 313, nothing but BC is equals to DA, nothing but root 104. I already say that parallelogram opposite sides are equal. See here, I have writing these sides in parallelogram, observe this. Now observe this, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. So, it is a parallelogram. If you not subscribed to my channel, so please subscribe it. And if you not liked my channel, so please give me a thumbs up. And if you not shared my video, please keep sharing. The more you share, the more you get. Thank you for watching.